Howdy everybody, I'm George, I am your average bear, and I have a quick tip for you. This quick tip is on how to take care of your self-healing cutting mat. Yes, you can take care of it. If you're like me, you like to keep your work surface clean. Well, cleanish. Okay, sure. So, this stuff, really good for taking a lot of that excess paint off your healing mat. You know what's not good? The dishwasher. And you want to know how I know? Yeah. My trusty, handy-dandy, self-healing cutting mat. I say he did. It's gone, man. Yeah, I was away for a couple of days and I thought, hey, you know what? This is a good time to clean this thing really, really good. So I gave it a good scrubbing with a dish scrubby. Then proceeded to put it in my dishwasher thinking, you know, that really hot water is going to do a great job. And it kind of did. But you know what didn't do a good job is the heating element in said dishwasher. So that was bad news. The good news is that since I now no longer have a cutting mat, I get to buy and try a new one. So I went to my local hobby store and I got one of these. Got two sides, a very pretty looking white or kind of a light blue surface. On the back it's got a cool gray surface. This is going to be nice. I'll use this for painting, I'll use this for pictures, it'll be cool.